covered in gray. School lets out early, hurrying home. Snow flurries on the path, cold wind piercing through. Step into the room, warmth brings relief.
Open my homework, line up notebook and pen. Focus hard and knock it out quick the moment it's done. Grab my phone, boot up my favorite game. Leveling up, winning streak on a roll. But gradually my eyes start getting heavy. Eyelids drooping, set the controller down. The bed is calling, about to give into temptation. Sleepy afternoon, maybe it's okay once in a while. Slip into bed, off to the dream world. Wake up in the middle of the night, full of regret, but I always lose to this temptation. Outside the window, snow piling up quietly. Inside the room, only the game sounds echoing. Homework cleared, free time unlocked. But for some reason, winter afternoons make me sleepy. Glued to the screen, forgetting the time as I play. But my body feels heavy, mind getting foggy. I know if I sleep now, I won't sleep at night. Still, I make excuses to myself. Wrap up in the blanket, fall asleep right away. It feels good, but I know it's a trap. Check the